ETH, BeerBear Trending altcoins positioned for significant gains. Disclosure: this article does not represent investment advice. The content and materials featured on this page are for educational purposes only. The crypto market heats up as speculators eye altcoins like Sol, ETH, and rising underdog BeerBear, set to soar by 175x. The crypto market is on fire, and speculators are hunting for the next explosive profit maker. With altcoins stealing the spotlight, some projects are poised to skyrocket by 175x or more before March 2025. Sol and ETH are undoubtedly strong players, showing promising growth ahead. However, the community's attention is increasingly drawn to an underdog that's quickly making waves, BeerBear. Read on to find out why BeerBear is the new token investors can't afford to ignore. Solana, the speed demon ready for a breakout. Solana has been a powerhouse in the crypto market, delivering unparalleled transaction speeds and efficiency. Its recent surge to $256.29, plus 37.98% in a month, speaks volumes about its potential. Technical analysis shows Solana's chart carving higher highs, indicating strong bullish momentum. The circulating supply of 486.6 M Sol against a market cap of $124.71 billion solidifies its position among top-tier altcoins. Solana excels with ultra-fast 65,000 transactions per second, near zero fees, and growing adoption from companies like Visa and Shopify. While past network outages were concerning, stability has improved significantly since 2023. Ethereum, the undisputed king. Ethereum's dominance remains unshaken, standing at a whopping $3,339.66 with a $402.45 billion market cap. It's the lifeblood of decentralized finance and NFTs, and its technical indicators suggest stability with slight bullish tendencies. Ethereum's fundamental strength comes from its massive developer ecosystem and $30B plus in locked value. The network's shift to proof-of-stake, Layer 2 solutions like Optimism and Arbitrum, and deflationary mechanics through EIP 1559 make it increasingly efficient and valuable. But don't get too comfy with Sol and ETH, they are great, but gains are limited compared to what BeerBear can offer. Solana and Ethereum might be the Ferrari of crypto, but BeerBear is the rocket to ride to the moon. BeerBear, the ultimate crypto opportunity for explosive gains. Time is ticking, and the crypto world is buzzing about BeerBear, the token that's rewriting the rules of rapid profit. With early pre-sale discounts and skyrocketing growth potential, BeerBear is the chance to secure fast, substantial gains before the bull run hits full speed. Stage 3 kicks off, Stage 1 and 2 investors already reaping gains. BeerBear's pre-sale is blazing ahead. Stage 1 tokens were scooped up at an incredible $0.0001, and Stage 2 quickly followed at $0.0002. Now, Stage 3 is live at $0.0003, with prices continuing to climb towards $0.0020 by Stage 20. Early backers are already cashing in, with up to 1,900% ROI still on the table for those who act fast. Every moment somebody waits, potential profits slip through their fingers. Don't miss out. Secure a spot now and join the winners. Game-changing features fueling rapid demand. BeerBear is more than just a token, it's a high-octane ecosystem designed for rapid growth and rewarding investors at lightning speed. Explosive presale momentum. Stage 3 is now live at $0.0003, following the success of Stages 1 and 2. Early investors are already seeing gains as prices climb with every stage. Act quickly to multiply investment as the presale progresses. Gamified ecosystem. Experience BeerBear's bar brawl beat-em-up game, blending the adrenaline of Streets of Rage with crypto-powered rewards. Play, earn, and collect rare items and exclusive perks in this unique gaming universe. Massive rewards with Beer Points. Every token purchase earns a user Beer Points, unlocking incredible bonuses like NFTs, airdrops, and premium game access. The bigger the investment, the greater the rewards. Beer Points reward system. Earn 6% to 12% Beer Points based on the size of the token purchased during the pre-sale. Small contributions, $10, $250, earn 6% in Beer Points. Medium contributions, $1,000, $2,500, earn 9% in Beer Points. Large contributions, $10,000 or plus, unlock the maximum reward of 12% in Beer Points. Beer Points grant users access to exclusive perks such as NFTs, in-game upgrades, and airdrops. Example, a $700 purchase during Stage 3 earns a user 5,600 beer points, supercharging their bonuses and rewards within the BeerBear ecosystem. The pre-sale is moving fast, don't miss the chance to maximize rewards today. USDT Vasts a multi-level referral program, Stage 3 is live. Earn big, get up to 9% for direct referrals, plus additional bonuses for referrals made by a user's network. Turn connections into income, share a referral link and transform every connection into passive USDT earnings. Fast weekly payouts, enjoy fast and reliable weekly payouts to keep the profits flowing without delay. Scale a network, whether someone starts small or aims big, build a network that generates consistent and growing income. Don't miss out on this limited time opportunity. The pre-sale has now entered Stage 3, and the clock is ticking. Early investors have already secured tokens with discounts as high as 90%, but prices are climbing fast with each new stage. Hesitation means missed profits. Interested investors should consider acting now to lock in the best price of $0.0003 per token and maximize rewards before it's too late. Visit beerbear.io to grab tokens, join the fight, and make this pre-sale the best investment. With BeerBear, every day is a chance to win big, and have a laugh doing it. Conclusion: Solana and Ethereum are solid. But if investors looking for explosive returns, BeerBear could be the token to bet on. It's fast, furious, and backed by a community of Digens who know how to drive hype. With its aggressive anti-scam mission and pre-sale perks, BeerBear is a once-in-a-lifetime chance to ride a token from zero to hero. Don't miss the BeerBear pre-sale. This is the ticket to joining the wildest crypto movement and securing gains somebody can only dream of. Get in now before the rocket takes off.